So the palm we're getting on a profile. There's your wrist. So the fingers that go to the pinch, you just go up to what the top knuckle would be, out to where all the other fingers are going to be aiming for, and that would be the thumb. Now the best way to do this is, this will be all the fingers and this one is the thumb. Give the thumb a nail so you can start to see the shape. Put the wrinkles on the knuckle. Now there's two fingers we can see in this pack of fingers. The one that's closest to us, give that a nail. Knuckle, some of that, what do you call it, the finger wrinkles. Just draw whatever line you see, wrinkles, and then the outside knuckle, we can see that fingertip just past the other one, a little bit less of that one, and outside there is the other finger, which is the, I think, the ring finger. Give it a little bit more shape to that thumb. Just rub out some of the mess. Okay, let's pronounce this knuckle a bit more, and this one a bit more. Okay, wrist needs to be a bit thicker. There's no real lines defining the wrist there because we're on a side-on, because your wrist bends on the front and back, which is how you get all your, your lines. That's basically that. Let's give it a little bit of shade with the paint. Take the opacity down because you can always change that. It's quite dark in there and dark over the top, dark back here. Okay, that is the snake pinch hand on profile, and let's just make sure to take it back to the building block of the hand. That there is your basic shape. Bang, bang, bang. And then you just break, we broke it up with the fingers. That's the thumb. Then we break up the finger shape with the two fingers. And the fingernails, they just show, the angle of the fingers. Pretty easy. That's it. Sideways snake hand. Alright, great.